Tony.
Alive and otherwise, that what we needed was a suit of armor around the world. Remember that? Whether it impacted our precious freedoms or not. That's what we needed.
Well, that didn't work out, did it?
I said we'd lose. You said, do that together too. And guess what, Cap? We lost. And you weren't there. But that's what we did, right? Our best work after the fact were the Avengers. We're the Avengers, not the pre-Vengers.
Okay.
Right?
You made your point. Just sit down, okay?
No, here's my point. You know
Tony,
what?
just
She's
sit down.
We need you.
Sit
You're new blood. A bunch of tired old mules. I got nothing for you, Cap. I got no coordinates, no clues, no strategies, no options, zero, zip, nada. No trust. Liar. Here, take this. You find him. You put that on. You hide. So it's fine.